The new year is almost here and I've got the last craft of 2023 to share with you. I'm using the new dishwasher safe gold glitter Mod Podge and I'm glittering this a bubbly bottle. This is super easy project and I'm making over some of those dollar store plastic champagne glasses. Now this formula does work on glass if you wanted to do that, but I just wanted to do something inexpensive and fun for our New Year's Eve celebration. So let's dive right into this craft. I'm using Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe in Gold Glitter. And you can see that this is a very thick formula. It's best to tap it on if you want that thick glitter look. If you want more of a dusting of glitter, go ahead and brush it on. But you can see here for this technique, I'm just doing a thick tap. And then I'm gonna let that dry. And once it's dried, you can see what one coat looks like. And it's very pretty this way. You could finish your design here, or you could go and add a second coat like I did for these. And that will just create a little bit more of a glittery look, still doing that tapping motion. And you can see here what 2 coats of it looks like dried. Then once it's fully dried, I just went ahead and added some cute trim just to kind of finish off the glasses. All right, now let's see how we do that champagne bottle. For the champagne or the sparkling apple cider bottle, you can see I'm doing that same tapping motion and I'm going right up to the label. For this, I only did 1 coat because I really wanted to see some of that dark coming through. And you can see it looks kind of funny there, but when it's dried, look how beautiful this turns out. And I added some more of that trim just to finish it off. This is cute if you're giving a gift, and you can even stick a cute little pick in there. Cheers! I love how these turned out. They are so cute. These are perfect for New Year's Eve, but these are perfect for any kind of celebrations, weddings, birthdays, showers, you name it. A little gold glitter is always fun. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back next year with 52 more projects to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye!